Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. The name of the game is problem solving. On the bench we have a lovely 2008 Albert Lee Music Man. Thank you, Ernie Ball. A little bit of fretware there, huh? Yeah. So it's been around, it's been used, and it's getting a little bit of work done. But what's the problem? The problem is this replacement nut, this bone replacement nut, was not compensated. So in other words, the front face was flush. Okay, I guess it was, replaced, with all good intentions with a bone one, but the front face was not milled. Therefore, it would never intonate. I'll show you why. You see, using the front face of the nut, okay, look at where my center line for the first fret, that's a resonant point. Okay, you see that first line on the right side, and then this edge here, this side of the fret to this side of the fret, is going to be exactly the same as center to center. So make a point of that. But look at where we wind up. It's almost exactly the same measurement. Hence the need for compensation, because you would never get the guitar in tune with this front-facing edge flush. It'll never intonate. Well, what I had to do was rig up my handy-dandy Dremel, put a little 1/8" carbide bit in there, and do some nibbling. Really did it by eye, and it turned out pretty good, Mind you, it was a delicate process, because I want to keep my fingers. That's a nasty thing if it gets a hold of you. Anyway, this new nut will be reinstalled. Problem will be solved, and that's the nature of this video. Think about what you're doing. Think about what has to be done. Yeah, of course, the guy can buy a brand new compensated nut, but I took on the challenge because the original statement by the owner was, I can't intonate it. Well, now you know why, okay? As always, play loud, have fun, have a great day, like and subscribe, and read the resources below. Cheers. Carry on.